Good day, my name is Alexandra Georgievic and I'm presenting the Makedonski Telecom AD case, Sales for Automation. Very briefly concerning the company, it is leading telecommunication company in Macedonia, is actively following and applying the latest practices in the e-business and digital field, and has vast majority of its information system highly developed and digitalized. For instance, Makedonski Telecom is very proud of its gathering and selecting relevant customers' data, 360 degrees digital on-site customer view system. Every customer is available on one click, enables mobility Salesforce concepts, integrates and structures the data on convenient way, ready and easy to use, and significantly improves the sales efficiency and effectiveness. Another positive example is the electronic signing. The signing portal saves time and documents are available anytime, anywhere. Documents are available for downloading after signing, decrease cost for printing and maintenance, automates the process of archiving, and more efficient and easier collaboration. However, does this mean that Makedonski Telecom AD operates in its full potential? And is there any place for further improvement? Of course there is, because despite the significant digital and electronic improvements, there is a lot of space for process development and innovation, because underdeveloped processes lead to suboptimal performance, and this means lower revenues. For instance, the company's pre-sales and sale activities and processes are mainly manually driven. Sales representatives use external files for calculation of their business offers, is covered by several different programs and applications, faces the problem of non-consistency and non-structured data, and does not support automatic generation of documents. All this indicates that this process is underdeveloped and not performing in its full potential. This underdevelopment costs the company a lot in terms of salesperson performance due to extensive unnecessary wasted time in searching and selecting relevant info. The obtained info are not always current. In terms of number of closed deals, the companies that have switched from manual to automation in Salesforce have increased their closed deals by 27%. In terms of time, companies that have switched from manual to automation in the Salesforce have decreased the sales lifecycle by 16%, the time to quote around 15%, and the administrative time around 15%, and that is a lot in terms of profit. Sales for automation is the solution. What does the sales for automation do? It converts the manual sales activities to digital by using different combinations of hardware and software application. It automates business tasks such as sales activities and processes, customer interaction, forecast and performance, enables faster access to info, less preparation time for client presentation, as well as number of follow-ups if further info is required. Here are some example sales for automation overlooked. For instance, this is the sales executive dashboard. This is the sales marketing overlook. This is the channel management. And this is the lead opportunity management. The sales for automation from Makedonski Telecom will be set of necessary functionalities that will enable fully automation of pre-sales and sale activities and processes. For that purpose, new entities will be introduced and accommodate the business requirements. Prospects stores info about potential new customers, opportunity, used for sales pipeline and sales planning and forecasting. Quote for preparing calculations and customized sales offers. Contact gives a complete view of the customer's profile and contact details. Sales planning and forecasting tracks and adjusts the sales activities according to business plan and set targets, tasks, or the to-do list, used to initiate product creation requests, requests info or action for another user, Documents the library to store any system or user-generated document. Report generates a set of predefined reports and support customers' query functionalities. Case stores info that comes through formal channels and are archived before dispatching to the recipients. And notification sends email notification to respective users based on events. The sales for automation performance will be monitored through the following indicators: decreased cost by lead by 30%, improved effectiveness and accuracy by 30%, increased revenue by salesperson by 20%, reduced average conversation time by 30%, increased lead generation rate by 20%, reduced response time by 50%, higher close rate by 30%, shortened sales cycle by 20%, and increased lead to sale conversation rate by 30%. All this will of course lead to increased revenues. In spite of all the benefits that sales for automation will provide, there are a couple of drawbacks that the companies may encounter. For instance, what if the sales for automation design is not optimal and does not satisfy the company's needs? Or what if it is complex for use? Or what if the salesperson develop aversion towards the system and the expenses exceed the initial cost plans? With the developed risk management strategies, all of these issues were predicted and action for elimination of this risk is proposed. The sales for automation designing and implementation will be outsourced and it is expected to be finalized in about 7 months. It is estimated roughly to cost around 408,000 euros. Vast majority of these funds will go for sales for automation solution design and license expenses, then for implementation of the system, support and maintenance, and sales person's training. Let's take a step further in the development and growth process. It will justify the investments. Thank you for your attention.